Ding mamba mamba! Chicken wings! Bah! We're gonna bake it in the oven and we're gonna eat it with a chicken cornet. Ching ching chong! Let's marinate it and then we're gonna rub and tub. Got jerk. 1 teaspoon of jerk. 1, 2, 3 spoons of honey garlic. 1 teaspoon of paprika. I don't know, 1.5 spoon of oyster. Two tablespoons of Jufran, banana ketchup. 1 teaspoon of pimenta, black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 teaspoon of patis, fish sauce, or actually squid patis. That's all we need. Then we're gonna rub and top this baby, and we're gonna put it straight together. Parchment paper. Spread it right there. And drop your freaking wings. Let's line them up. Yeah. Just like that. Now let's throw this one in the oven. Okay, let's bake this baby up. Let's bake this chicken wing. 375. Hey guys, after 30 minutes, here's your succulent chicken wings. Looks so yummy.